Hey guys, it's Justin and Elise, Keller Team at Lang Realty here with you on a beautiful Sunday in Lake Worth, running an open house. Got to come check this one out. All new construction, 4955 Canal Drive. Let's go check it out. All right guys, this home is 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths. We're entering here on the ground level. Let's check it out. Beautiful glossy tiles in the entry and living room area, straight to the full open kitchen with black stainless steel appliances. The home has full hurricane impact windows and doors throughout. Check out this beautiful slide right here to the back. And it also has smart security system already installed. Gorgeous exterior as well. Perfect room for a pool on the canal. Let's check out the bedroom and bath on the main floor, right off the living room. Come this way, check this out. Gorgeous bathroom and walk-in shower, all white interior. It's got the ceiling fan on remote, double wide closet and entry right into the backyard. You can convert this to a mother-in-law suite. Did I mention 10-foot ceilings, 8-foot doors, little storage closet there, and the stairs heading up, all wood. Let's go up.
Here we are at the top of the stairs where the 3 full bedrooms are. Let's go check it out. Here is the master. Nice and spacious. Nice overhead fan with 2 large walk-in closets. Look at all of that space. And ladies, you just have to come check out this amazing master bathroom. Here we go. Wow, look at that tub and gorgeous walk-in shower. Stunning.